For Thursday, November 30th, 2023. Severe potential. Watch unlikely. Probability of watch issuance 5%. Areas affected. Northeast Texas into far southeastern Oklahoma. Over the past hour, the coverage and intensity of convection has increased across central to northeast Texas as lift within a warm advection regime and ahead of an approaching upper wave increases. The potential for isolated severe hail and perhaps damaging wind gusts should increase through the mid-afternoon hours across northeast Texas and portions of far southeastern Oklahoma. Watch issuance is not expected. Be sure to subscribe for future severe weather outlooks.